us some balance. On how to make tinctures with medicinal herbs. So I've made my own blend here. What I have is reishi, some chaga mushroom, and then some Chinese, what is this? Chinese licorice root slices, and astragalus, and some cinnamon. Okay, so this is, just like a super nutrient, vitamin dense tincture that I'm going to be making. So yeah, let's just get right to it. So I'm going to be using Tito's distilled vodka. Definitely won't be drinking this. So just going to pour it in here. This is my first time making a tincture, so I'm pretty excited. Couldn't have picked a better day. Full red wolf moon. Wow. I'm going to be letting this sit for about, man, I don't even know, probably a year or two. But we're not done. There's a secret ingredient. Because this is so nutrient dense, and the alcohol is going to do a pretty good job because alcohol pulls out things. So if you're drinking alcohol, make sure you get those minerals back in your body because it's pulling out all that stuff. So that's how it works with tinctures. It pulls out all the nutrients. But since these are such nutrient dense herbs, we're going to be using mountain gold, also known as Shilajit, destroyer of weakness, conqueror of mountains. And in Ayurveda, this is a yoga havi, which means it actually increases the potency of other herbs because it's a catalytic agent and helps assimilate those nutrients, break down those nutrients because it's so rich in fulvic and humic acid. So we need something pretty strong for these herbs. So we're going to be doing just like a peppercorn of this Shilajit. Man, I'm gonna put a link in my bio if you guys want to learn more about Shilajit. This is known as a panacea in Ayurveda. It can actually help heal all diseases and difficulties that you're experiencing. It's one of the only panaceas. I believe astragalus is a panacea as well. Very, very powerful herbs right here. Alright guys, so yeah, this is how you make medicine.